Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional SharePoint Permissions. How to manage access. SharePoint is a powerful collaboration platform used by organizations to store, share, and manage content efficiently. One of the critical aspects of SharePoint is managing permissions, ensuring that users have appropriate access levels while maintaining security and data integrity. This article explores how to manage SharePoint permissions effectively. Understanding SharePoint permissions. SharePoint permissions control what users can do within a site, library, list, or item. These permissions are grouped into permission levels, which determine whether users can read, edit, or manage content. SharePoint permissions are managed at different levels, including site-level controls access to the entire SharePoint site, library, list-level controls access to specific document libraries or lists. Folder level allows permission settings for specific folders within libraries or lists. Item level allows granular control over individual documents or list items. Permission levels in SharePoint provides predefined permission levels, which include full control, grants complete access, including managing permissions. Edit allows users to add, edit, and delete items. Contribute allows users to add and edit items but not delete libraries or lists. Read grants view-only access. Restricted view allows users to view but prevents downloading. Custom permissions administrators can create unique permission levels based on organizational needs. Managing permissions in SharePoint. 1. Assigning permissions. To grant permissions in SharePoint, navigate to the SharePoint site. Click on Site Settings greater than Site Permissions. Choose Grant Permissions and enter the user or group name. Select the appropriate permission level. Click Share or OK to apply changes. 2. Breaking inheritance. By default, SharePoint permissions inherit from the parent site, library, or folder. To apply unique permissions, go to the document library, list, or item. Click Settings greater than permissions for this document library, list, item. Click Stop inheriting permissions. Assign unique permissions as needed. 3. Removing or modifying permissions. To remove or modify permissions, navigate to the permissions settings. Select the user or group. Click Remove User Permissions or Edit User Permissions. 4. Managing SharePoint groups instead of assigning permissions to individuals. Use SharePoint groups. Owners Group has full control. Members Group can edit content. Visitors Group has read-only access. To create a new group, go to Site Settings greater than People and Groups. Click New greater than New Group. Define the group name and permissions. Add users and save. 5. External sharing. SharePoint allows external sharing, enabling collaboration with users outside your organization. Administrators can enable, disable external sharing at the site level, set expiration dates for shared links, restrict access to specific domains, allow view-only or edit permissions. To share externally, click Share on a document or folder. Enter the external user's email. Choose the access level, view or edit. Set an expiration date if required. Click Send. Best practices for managing SharePoint permissions. Use groups instead of individuals. Assign permissions to groups rather than individuals to simplify management. Follow the principle of least privilege. Provide the minimum necessary access to users. Regularly review permissions. Periodically audit permissions to ensure compliance and security. Avoid breaking inheritance unnecessarily. Use inherited permissions unless unique settings are required. Utilize auditing and reporting tools. Track user activities and changes using SharePoint reports. Conclusion: managing SharePoint permissions effectively ensures secure and controlled access to data, enhancing collaboration while protecting sensitive information. By understanding permission levels, inheritance, and best practices, organizations can streamline user access management in SharePoint. Implementing structured permission policies helps maintain security, compliance, and efficient team collaboration. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative videos. Thank you.